Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Lee and today we're going to be taking a look at adding audio and recording to your Microsoft PowerPoint. Now there's many features and tools to spark up your slideshow, so if you're wanting to create an effective presentation that engages your audience, this is definitely something that you want to take a look at. Now the first step will be locating where we can insert an audio file or a recording for our slideshow. There's actually two places where we can do that. The first of which, if we navigate to the Insert tab in our ribbon, and then from there on the right hand side under the Media section, under Audio, we can go ahead and select this, and then it will then pop up the two options. The two options being audio from my PC, so if you wanted to pull up and import an audio file or a sound clip, you can do that locally from your system. Or if you would like to record your audio, if you want to narrate over your presentation, you can go ahead and click on that as well. And then the second location to insert audio is in the Record tab in your ribbon. And then from here we can navigate to Autoplay Media, and then from the audio section either select audio on my PC or again record sound if you want to have narration over your slideshow. Now taking a look at the record sound option, there are a handful of different situations where you could utilize this. If you're collaborating on this with a colleague or another individual in your organization, you could have them record their section of the presentation and then essentially just have the clip play automatically when the slide shows up. So if you want to keep them involved, that's an option as well. Or if you just want to go ahead and narrate over your own presentation, you can certainly do that. You'd simply just click the record option here, name the sound if you'd like to keep everything organized, and then you'd simply just want to add the clip to said slide. And then of course the other option we will look at a little bit more in depth is the audio on my PC. So if you want to add a certain sound clip or background audio to your slide or your presentation, you want to go ahead and select audio on my PC. It will then give you the option to pull up sounds that you could insert to your PowerPoint. So for example, we'll just go ahead and add one for adventure and insert that into our slideshow. And once that's inserted, we can begin to determine how we would like it played and shown on our slideshow. Now once we have our audio imported to our presentation, we will then want to select the audio clip by clicking on the icon, and then we will go to the Playback tab in our ribbon. And from here, it'll actually give you all the different settings to this audio clip. So just taking a look at a few of the examples, we have the option to trim the audio if we just want a certain sequence played, the fade duration if we want the audio to fade in or fade out of a slide or the entire presentation, volume if we'd like the volume low, say this could be ambient sound or elevator music playing through the duration of the presentation. We don't want it to distract from the presenter or from the narrator. We also have the option to how we want the sequence to start, if we want it to play across all slides, loop until stop, if we want the icon to be hidden. So once we enter slideshow view and presenting to an audience full screen, we can actually want to go ahead and click this. That way it hides the icon from the audience. And then important to note over here on the audio styles, there is the option for no style if you just want to have a default selection for the audio clip, or also play in background, which will then select hide during show, play across all slides, loop until stop, and it will set the start to automatically. So once you begin this presentation, or once you navigate to a slide that does have an audio clip, it will then begin that audio. It will loop it through the duration of the presentation. So it's very helpful to have that option as well. And that will conclude today's look at adding audio and recording to Microsoft PowerPoint. As always, if you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and share your support. And if you'd like to see a topic covered in our next video, we are always open to suggestions, so let us know in the comment section below, and we would love to cover that in one of our next videos. Subscribe to our channel if you're not already, so you can catch educational videos and tutorials like this every Friday at 9 a.m. Also, visit www.tcworkshop.com and check out all of our upcoming classes. Find the training that's right for you. Find a training that's right for your organization. We are happy to find the solution that works for you and meets your needs. As always, thank you for tuning in. We hope to see everyone in the next video.